Welcome back to Eat with Dawn. How is the foodie fam out there doing today? I hope everyone is having a marvelous day. I know I am. You know, and any day above, not under, is a blessed day. Y'all, today we're doing a fruit mukbang. I'm not 100. I'm kind of under the weather a little bit, so I'm trying to, do a little bit healthier stuff. I'm not feeling for much today. So let me tell you what I have. I have some grapes, mango. This is yellow watermelon, orange. Talking about orange. Yeah, I need some vitamin C. Banana. This cantaloupe. And my child found some ginormous apples. And I have some kiwi. Okay? So, who love fruits? Let me know. Oh, first of all, let's do a thumbnail. And I'm going to do it with the strawberries. How about that, Shashawn? The grapes. The grapes. The grapes. The grapes. Green grapes. Okay. I'm going to eat this with the food. They sweet.
And she got water to drink, y'all.
And water. Yeah, I'm fighting. Cause I don't know. And then I had to go to my daughter's play again today because it ran for 2 days. So okay. How's everybody's day? I didn't do much of anything today, really. I was in the bed because I've been, I slept till like 3 o'clock. Like, just exhausted. These are good. They're really not sweet, but
they're refreshing.
They are. They're really refreshing.
Hey, cousin.
How was your day, Shoshana?
I had a good day at work today.
We did?
Yep, very productive.
Okay. That's what's up.
Thank you, Nanny.
The play, I was telling Shoshana, the play was even better today. It was than it was yesterday. It was good yesterday, but today it was just better.
Probably because they just knew everything. Like,
something.
The trial run yesterday. It was funny though, guys. They did the Wiz.
They did the Wiz. A remake of the Wiz. I think she said last year was their like 40th anniversary or whatever. So it's that thing went down the road. Bye.
I'm about to say, get some. Help.
I'm drinking H2O.
Help.
I got my little cutting board back here, y'all. Cause I walked in, my baby had everything set up for me. Ooh, these suckers is big.
What you cutting?
Oh, the apple.
Why is it snapping like
that? It's good.
Honey crisp.
It's good. Them oranges I bought today was sweet.
But you know what? One time one of my coworkers gave me like it was one of those yellow apples. It was so good. It was so good. I was like, dang, why we stop buying yellow apples?
Because I always buy green.
And organic.
Oh yeah. This is kind of tart, but it's not so tart that it's, you know what I'm saying?
Unbearable.
Because I even got some honey. Y'all, and I had that raw honey. I'm like, that was not good on the chicken. A little okay. I'm like, That's why I said I'm going to have to try it again. So I got some of this. It's not it's not organic or nothing. Just honey. So what y'all been up to? Why I feel full? I'm cutting it out. When I tell y'all that all I did was sleep, then when I woke up, I was sweating so hard, man.
She always sweating when she sleep. You always sweat and sleep. Sweat sleep.
Yeah, but I was sweating hard. Like, And I tried. I'm really trying because I have no appetite. But I love
she grabbed that mango though.
I know. You know I love my mango.
That was like the only right mango.
For real?
Yes. You were so lucky. I found that. It was like right in my face.
And it's kinda mushy, shashy.
That was the only one. The rest of them was hard.
For real?
I was trying to get you a pineapple, but
they wasn't looking too good. I know the other day when I went, they wasn't looking too good.
It was one that was looking kind of good, but you know, pineapple got the smell when it's ready.
Oh, and it didn't have that? Smell. Oh, okay. Okay.
So I was like, forget it. Ooh, look at her.
This sucker is good too.
Don't talk about me no more.
This sucker is good. Wanna bite?
She did not share.
I know. It's so good.
Come on, you look like you want to bite.
Want to bite, puppy? Are you sure? What do you want? This is good.
It look good.
That's good. Now I will finish this. Ain't nothing wrong with fruits, y'all. It's good. It's all different kinds of fruits. I have yet to try a fruit that I didn't like. What fruit you don't like, Josh? Is there anyone you don't like?
My least favorite? My least favorite fruit would have to be blueberries.
Really?
Right next to raspberries. I just don't like the texture of them. Like,
that's why she my child. Cause I don't like those.
She don't like berries.
I don't like berries. I don't know. I don't even like it in smoothies. Like when I do make a one with smoothies, I have to strain all that. I do. It'd be a thing. I just don't like it.
Like raspberries are just soft and mushy and hairy. And then blueberries are just like, they don't have, I don't know. It's just not my thing. But everything else is good enough.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna try to go find some exotic fruits. Ooh. This is like really, really, really good. Yup. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Yesterday I seen some, and I meant to talk about it, and it slipped my mind. It almost slipped me again. Now, I know a lot of us. I know I have a lot of parents that watches my mukbangs. Is it ever okay to see a 12-year-old that's already busty and has a body like a grown woman with eyelashes and nails? Is that okay? And when did that become okay? Like, really? Y'all, I seen a little girl. I couldn't believe my eyes. She had on eyelashes. Hell, I don't even wear them things. Busty little girl, pretty little girl, nails, eyelashes, the whole 9 yards. And I was just like, really? Now, mind you, I know a lot of kids with grades that's really bad. And parents reward their kids. Mm-hmm. For getting bad grades. And I just wonder, like, when we do things like that, what kind of message are we sending to our kids? That it's okay to be mediocre. It's okay to just go to school and do whatever and you get whatever you want. Like, I know I'm probably gonna catch a lot of flack for that, but I really don't care. Because we sit up and we put these little girls that's already looking like they're 16. Shit, some of them look like they my age, hell. And we putting them in makeup, not in makeup, eyelashes. They got weave in their hair, and they got on nails. What kind of message are we sending? Like, when they go outside, what do you think gonna happen? You think that these grown and overgrown men ain't gonna wanna say hi? Some of them are perverts out here.
Okay.
Exactly. And I don't think we should sit up there and complain that our kids ain't doing good. But at the same time, why aren't they doing good? Oh, I ain't got no money for tutoring. I ain't got no money for this. I ain't got no money for that. Then if you don't have any money for this and you don't have any money for that, why does this child have on some Jordans that you know you can't afford? Weave in their head that you know you can't afford. And all these other things that you know you can't afford. Instead of us trying to educate our kids and at least trying to keep them looking like teenagers and children instead of grown women. Oh, excuse me. I know I'm kind of all over the place because my mind is like all over the place. Because it's like, and I complain about the same thing when I go in the stores trying to find clothes for my kids, like, because there's certain things they're not going to wear outside. You know what I'm saying? And that's coming from, they was kids, from babies, like, and their dad was very adamant about that, like, nah, they're not going to wear them booty shorts and ain't none of that. You know? That's just not going to be. So, I'm just like, everybody is out here. My daughter's telling me to wrap it up. Anyway, I know, I've been rambling. Anyway, I'm just saying, y'all, why dress our kids accordingly? Stop sending them outside looking like they grown women. They're kids. They are kids. Invest more in education than in hair and eyelashes. They're children. They're babies. But that's just my belief. Cause that's just it. I'm done talking about that. I see, oh no, I can't be done with it. Hell, I see mamas in their house, kids running wild. Where your child at? Somewhere outside. How you don't know where your kid at? Oh my word. That kiwi. Child. It's like I go from the sweet to the tart.
You knew what was up.
You
knew what was up. Excuse me. Look, I just gotta get a candle to ease it down.
Yeah. That's it for me. Bye, loves.